Hello and welcome to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today we are going to take a look at one of the new dies from the spring release, which comes out today, April 10th. Let's take a look at the die. This is the Your Number One card die set. This 19-piece shaped card die set is perfect for all sorts of sports fans, masculine cards, coaches, teachers, and more. It also includes a bow for the finger if you want to make a reminder card. All dies are made of 100% carbon steel. I think this is such a great die for, like I said, coaches, teachers, and great for masculine cards. So let's take a look at the die. So you can see it is a larger die because it does make a card. So you can see it is going to fold right there. There's some stitching on the front panel. And then there's all kinds of die cut words. Lots of things you can die cut. The number one, that bow for the finger, a star, all sorts of words as well. Go team, you're the best, mom, dad, coach, friend, a little bit of a larger star. Lots of things that you can use. So you can snip these apart. I'm going to show you, sometimes it's hard to get in between those spaces, but you really just have to punch through and get those dies out. So I have got basically a half of a sheet of regular cardstock here, just white cardstock. And I'm going to die cut out that card base. And I've also die cut out some of the other little things to show you how you can put together a card. Got the little kind of foam finger attachment there. So if you just bend, you're not going to get it right on the score line. So I would say that you need to reinforce the little score here just with your bone folder. And then it will fold in the correct place and not on the stitch lining around that die. I'm just going to go in here and reinforce that with my bone folder. And it just makes the cutest little shape card. I'm a sucker for shape cards. So here I've got that other die that kind of just makes that little outline, and I am just going to use some liquid glue to glue it on. To spare you from watching me do all of that, I've already glued it on. Now this Your Number One, I also think it'd be really fun if you put it on the little finger, because I'm pretty sure that's how foam fingers look. So you could definitely put it there, but for my card today, I just put it down at the bottom. This card would be so much fun, you know, for sports teams or coaches or for people who are graduating college or things like that. You could use the colors of their team or their school. And this just makes the cutest little shape card. I do want to quickly show you that this shape card does fit in a standard A2 size envelope, perfect for mailing. So no special envelope or tools required. Now let's look at some of the design team samples. I love this one with the negative. This one looks a little bit more feminine with the bow. These are three so cute little cards. This one is like a work of art with the scene in the background. And then some rainbow cards to finish it off. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope this gave you a little bit more insight into the new Your Number One card die set.